Radio.
Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Mikey who had a puppy named Luna. They loved going on adventures and decided to go to an adventure to a volcano. Mikey and Luna packed a backpack with snacks and water, and they set off on their journey. They walked through forests, across rivers, and up mountains until they finally reached the volcano. As they approached the volcano, they could feel the heat getting stronger and stronger. Suddenly, they heard a loud rumble, and they saw lava start to flow down the side of the volcano. Mikey and Luna were amazed but also a little scared. They decided to get closer to the lava to take a better look. As they stood there, they realized that the ground was getting hotter and hotter. Mikey shouted, "The floor is lava!" And he and Luna quickly jumped onto a nearby rock. They then realized that they could play a game.
To jump from to walk to walk, don't touch that floor because the floor is lava.
Finally they reached the top and decided to sit down on a nearby rock to rest and eat their snacks.
Mikey looked at Luna and said,
With the best ever adventure ever.
Like, share and subscribe.